Alex said speak freely, or Giuliano. How? First of all, tell me who you are, because I'm not calling in on the phone once again, and we'll go from there.
Okay, so say who we are.
Yeah, this is Rich Dunmore with Dunmore Design, and this is Linda Dunmore.
Perfect. And what happened the last 2 days now? Tell me, show me in.
We got the laser, and we've been in training, and we're real excited about it.
How many people died in the process of the installation and the first tattooing?
Nobody died.
A few people almost did,
but my embroidery guy is extremely happy. He's been aligning the machines. Everything's cool. You know, as long as he knows, we're happy.
Linda, how many years have you been in business now?
22.
And have you seen a lot of things come and go over the years?
Yes, I have. Yep.
What was the inspiration to get the laser for you guys?
To have something that other people didn't have, to have something different, and to get beyond just screen printing and embroidery.
You guys came up to visit me before you bought the laser. That's correct, right?
Right.
Can you tell me a little bit about your experience for somebody who would watch the video maybe, or who won't fly up and see me? Were we a tiny little shop? Were we the next IBM? What was your experience coming to see us and the activity? Whatever. Just I want to have a first-hand personal view. Don't be shy to say whatever you want to say.
When we came to see you, it was a very good experience. We went home very happy, very excited. We basically talked, the three of us, being two sons and a mom, all the way home, So it was, we saw what we needed to see, and you guys were very kind, and Alex was very good about showing us things, as he has been this time coming here. So it was a very, very good experience.
Now, what's your confidence level? Because you're obviously letting the guys go. Are you comfortable with letting them go? Do you need more training? Do you feel like you can do stuff on your own, or what's the status you're at on a scale of 1 to 10?
I feel confident we can start. I know Alex has really drilled into us that we need to practice, and I believe that. And so I feel confident that we'll come in tomorrow and start doing things. I'm sure there'll be some phone calls because we got new software and things like that, but I don't anticipate there being many.
And did you guys make any exciting stuff today?
We made a lot of good stuff today. Yeah.
Tell me a little bit what you made and learned in a day and a half or whatever it was.
Okay, we did we did this applique, or that's not reverse. That's regular applique. Then we did some reverse applique. We did etching on wood. Let's see. This is our reverse. And that, was that pretty easy for Chris to do? Chris is our digitizer, and he did that with the software.
Was the process on the design side overwhelming, or is it like coming along quickly right now? How would you explain that? Because some people are really intimidated, and I want to separate the use of the laser, that software, versus the design side. Can you, either one of you, explain to me a little bit about how the experience was?
Well, I mean, for me personally, I'm coming from a background with Corel Draw, and I'm very familiar with that and comfortable in that. So a lot of the elements are very similar. It's just a matter of figuring out which buttons do what. And so we're, the more I use it, the more comfortable I'm getting with it. Chris didn't have a lot of graphic experience before this, and he's been working pretty much exclusively with Alex on that, and I think he's starting to get a pretty good handle on it after just a couple days working with it. So it's not difficult. It's at first it's a little intimidating, but once you kind of start doing a few designs and kind of figuring out exactly where you need to go or where you want to go with it, it's actually pretty easy.
Were you guys witness when I sent Alex a message? I said, listen, I need to do a demo. Can you do this? And he sent me like a corporate logo done 7 or 8 different ways. Were you witness to that?
I don't believe so, no.
Okay, so I sent him today. I needed to do a demo for another person who wants a laser, and they're actually local to me, and I've never met them before. And so I gave him their logo, and then he did it from a tiny little dime size all the way up to a full back, and did the wood coat hanger, and in 12 or 13 minutes from when I emailed, I had it all back to me. So that's what I'm expecting.
Okay, yeah,
he will be able to do with experience, seriously, because when you have clients that, would you agree with the statement that we don't save lives, we do shirts? When we do shirts, they're very low on the totem pole in terms of priority.
Yes.
Generally, these are the last minute. Is that a fair assessment of our industry?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
So now, I want you to be able to react like that, but I want you to charge for reacting like that. I don't want you to give that service away for free. Because nobody else can do it. It doesn't mean that you have to give it away for nothing. It means that you can charge a rush fee, but you don't have to go ballistic and nuts and drop everything just to get it out. You can get a sample out really quickly if you've got a hot need, or a client, a potential client, or if you really have to do somebody a favor, please charge for a rush fee, but get it to them the next day when you're using up my equipment, because you can do that. All right? That's one of the rules. I didn't mean to turn it into a little lesson, but don't give it away when you don't have to, because you made a nice investment just to pay for it, and you shouldn't, you're not, it's not a free charity thing going on.
Right.
Do you guys have any questions for me about moving forward? Do you have any concerns, and would you recommend this to anybody else? Not your neighbor, though, obviously.
Yeah, anybody but in the Detroit area, I would recommend it.
Hey, can I bring that up? Sorry. You guys have had a very tough economy in the last 5, 6, 7 years. Like, did you notice that?
Yeah, it was. We've seen that a little bit. Yeah.
So, what makes you persist and invest when the trend is to hold everything close and save and don't do that? Why would you be crazy enough to go and spend money in an economy? Like you're Detroit, Michigan, man. It doesn't get any harder than maybe New Orleans, right?
We just feel like we've been very fortunate through this, and that our customers have been pretty loyal to us, and our customers, and some of them being automotive based, have inquired about it, which has given us kind of the drive to move forward instead of stagnant.
Okay. So quickly, I interrupted you. Are there any other things you want to ask me, or are there any other things you could recommend to others?
I can only say that for myself and for our business, I'm really excited about it. I am, and my employees are, my sons are, and I really feel that we will move forward with it, and that anybody that it feels in the position to make an investment it would only behoove them to, outside of Detroit.
Another thing, how come you bought from
please.
versus you could have bought something, imported something from another country? Was you really comfortable when you saw us build the thing, see that the content is as high American content as we can get? Does that make you feel comfortable?
I liked your product. I loved the touch screen. I have to say, I think that's one of your nice selling points on yours. And I liked your pricing. I thought that went, that spoke volumes.
And I'm more than like you. Is that okay to say? I love you guys.
You should right now. You've pushed me way past my comfort zone.
So my commitment is that it's getting harder and harder as we grow to start to see people, but I commit that when I do a road trip, I commit that when I drive through the state, I'll make a detour. Sometimes it'll be at an odd hour, so it won't be 3 a.m., but I might catch you at, 5, 6, 7 o'clock to say hello. I'll always phone you when I'm in the area, and you guys have to likewise do the same. If we're at a show, you want to stay in touch and visit us. And the next stage is to get on your case about some marketing things to expand what you're doing and become more creative and more effective with your marketing. So I'm going to hound you for a little while longer because I want to make the laser profitable very quickly. Is that okay with you?
We hope you do, because honestly, I mean, we've even talked about it. We hope we're going to get a second one after we pay for this one. So.
Wait. What about the rhinestone robot you wanted?
I think we're going to go embossing.
Let me get what you want this time,
No,
right?
no, the guys are, I'm outnumbered. I'm the only female here, and so I think hopefully we're going to get a second laser, and then hopefully we'll get an embossing machine. That's kind of our direction right now. Okay?
Okay, well, so now I'm going to double my commitment to visit you.
Okay.
You're not going to be able to get rid of me after you tell me that.
Well, I just thought you should know where we're, that we really are pleased, and we're real excited about it, and I know it'll all be good.
No, we appreciate it. Did you notice that all the guys signed their names inside your laser?
No, we didn't see that.
Yeah,
so everybody in the factory signs their name on the inside of the product.
Cool.
Because it means so much when you guys commit to us.
That's cool.
All of us.
Okay, that's very cool.
And we look forward to taking care of you, okay?
Yep, very good. Thank you.
Perfect, guys. I'll see you soon.
All right, bye.
Bye.